This presentation will give a quick overview of the material, readings, and assignments this week in GP210 American Government 1. My name is Mark Olson, and I'm a political instructor here at Grantham University. I'm just visiting your class this week for this lecture. It's very likely that I'm not your instructor for this class. Now, if you have any questions about the material this week, please contact your instructor directly. You can find their contact information under the Instructor Information link in Blackboard. Your instructor is here to help you succeed in this course, so please do not hesitate to contact them with any questions you might have. What is the role of political parties? Why do we have a two-party system? In our unique political system, how do we, the people, have our voices heard? This week we will be discussing the importance of political parties in elections, and how these institutions serve to support our liberty. At the successful completion of this week's lessons, you should be prepared to examine political parties in America and explain the electoral process. This week you will be reading 2 lectures and 1 case study. First, Lecture A, Martin Van Buren Saves America. In this lecture, we will find out about how and why our two-party system came to be and how our two-party system serves to support our liberty. Second, Lecture B, Why Elections? In this lecture, we will learn a bit more about how and why our elections came to be and how elections serve to support our liberty. And finally, Case Study, Open Secrets. In this case study, you will be guided in examining several important resources featuring primary sources that allow the public to see actual financing information for political candidates and interest groups. This will equip you to do your own research as well as again demonstrate the importance of using primary sources. This week, you will be participating in our class discussions and completing 1 written assignment. First, participating in the Week 5 discussion, Propose a Change. In this discussion, you will present to the class an argument for one change that you think should be made to how we conduct elections or carry out voting in our nation. Second, completing the Week 5 assignment, Party Platform Creation Activity. In this fun activity, you will be creating a political party and writing a platform describing what your new political party believes in. As with all discussions and assignments, please be sure to read and follow the instructions very carefully. Please also take care to proofread your work, keep your text professional, and do not plagiarize. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact your instructor. This week you will be reading the following: the Republican Party platform and the Democratic Party platform. Please note that each of these readings is very long. You are not responsible for every single word. Instead, focus more broadly. The point of these readings is for you to familiarize yourself with the beliefs of the Republican Party and the Democratic Party. If something happens to catch your eye, read for a bit more detail. Did you find anything in these primary sources about the beliefs of our major parties to be surprising?